Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is September 18, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. In today's segment, we'll take a look at stocks with very high unusual option activities. Whenever there is a unusual option activity, there are some big players playing in the market. They might be buying, they may be selling. So let's examine what these big players are doing and see if we can learn something from them. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Look, I've got a quick spreadsheet here. This spreadsheet has got most of the information around the option. So we got symbol, stock symbol, we got price and the stock volume on Friday. Then we got stock price, we got market cap, we got RSI, IV rank, and so on and so forth. And up to this point, these are all stock related data here. All the way to here, it's all stock related data. And then we got option related data all the way from right here, option type, is it a call or a put, and strike price, and so on and so forth. These are all option related data. And look, this spreadsheet is sorted by open interest, volume over open interest. So whenever there's a very high volume compared to the open interest, that basically triggers a unusual option activity. So this is sorted by volume over open interest. Stock at the top here, NKLA, has got high volume compared to its open interest. Look, open interest is 111, whereas option volume on Friday is 20,000. That makes the volume over open interest really high, and there is some unusual option activity going on here. And what I've also done is I've got a few more fields here. We got moneyness that tells you if the current strike price is above the stock price or not. Right now, in case of NKLA, we got stock prices $5.12, and we got strike price of $5. That makes the moneyness as 2.4, meaning the current strike price is below the stock price by 2.4%. And we got a call. So this person is really trading the call option, and they've traded so much volume. Look here, we got 20,000 volume here, and we got bid, ask, and date to expiration date, and last price. And importantly, there are a few columns here. Look, we got here bull or bear. So this tells you if the last price is above the midpoint, it kind of tells you it's a bull. But if the last price is below the midpoint, as is the case here, that tells you it's a bear. And then we also have bias here. Bias tells you is it below ask or above ask or at ask. Right now for NKLA, it's a below ask. So that makes it for a bear case. But what we should do is really we should not stop here. We should do some more research. What's going on here is this person, even though there is a 14 days to expiration, they're making a big bet here and trading this call option at $5. Let's do a little more research here and see what's going on. So let's go to my favorite platform here, which is Finviz, and let's do some research on NKLA. All right, so we got NKLA here, as you can see here. Overall stock chart perspective, it's in a downward trend, as you see here. Look nice, downward pattern, as you can see. And as you scan through here, look, we got earnings per share in a negative trend. As you can see here, there's a nice sales in 2020, and shares outstanding, they're polluting or diluting the share count, as you can see here. On the positive side, on September 14th, we got BITG Research upgrading the stock from neutral to buy with a $12 target. With all this Biden administration and their effort really go into environmental friendliness, you can see stocks like NKLA can have some positive bias at these levels here. And as you scan through here, we got some news items here we can ignore. But as you scan through, we got a few more data here. From a research and development perspective, we have a quarterly data here. As we hover over this, looks like Nikola is spending some good money on research and development. That's a good story here. Expenses are kind of in control, not too bad. So we got some good information here. Look, from a insider perspective, looks like 10% owner has bought some good chunk of shares back in August 24, 51 million. That's a good amount here. So with this information, let's go to one of my favorite platform, Thinkorswim, to see look at the chart here. All right, so let's go into Thinkorswim platform here and look at the chart. So look, from a chart perspective, let's jump in here. I got a chart of Nikola here, and look, we got a volume profile here. From a volume profile perspective, you can see here there is a lot of volume at $7, and there is a lot of volume at 10.28. And looks like there's a nice level here at $7. And one more thing I want to draw your attention to is really keep a watch on MACD here. From a MACD perspective, you can almost see this blue line is try to cross over the yellow line. That tells you there may be some positive bias here. This stock may go higher. So as you see here, we got a couple of times this happened. We got one right here. When this happened, stock exploded higher slightly. And then we got one more time here. When this happened, stock had some bounce here. And then we got one more right along here. Stock went higher, as you can see here. So that's one of the reasons MACD is one of those good old indicator that tells you what might happen. Of course, these are short-term trends because we are looking at 12, 26, and 9-day exponential moving average. But as you can see here at these levels, there can be a small bounce in Nikola. All right, that's about Nikola here. So from an unusual volume perspective, this is a very big unusual volume. As you can see here, nice volume or open interest. So that's why Nikola is an interesting one. If you're a short-term trader, you could open a position in Nikola. Even though it's a bear here, we could see MACD trying to go higher. You could take advantage of it. You cannot conclusively say it's a bull or bear, but by looking at the strike price here and the current stock price, you could argue this person may be buying buying some call option, worth 715, even though it's below ask price. And below the last price is below midpoint as well as below ask price. All right, so next we got a few more here. We got Lowe's. As you can see here, Lowe's current price is 191, and as you scan through here, we got strike price 200 here, a call option, and moneyness is 4.1%. That tells you current strike price is below the stock above the stock price by 4.1%, and it's again expiration 9/30 in 14 days, as you can see here. And there's a huge chunk of money put on this year, $1.4 million worth premium here. Again, this could be a bear case here with the CEO talking about all the macroeconomic factors and recession. I think this person may be making a play for stock to go down. That's why they may be buying a call option 14 days out, as you can see here, with the $1.4 million. Again, it's current last price is below the mid and last price is below the ask. That's why this could be a bear case here. So I think Lowe's, maybe there is some short-term issue going on here. That's why there is a huge bet made on this Lowe's. And on the bull side here, on Lowe's, if you can go into my favorite platform here, Finviz, and we can bring it up. Look, Lowe's stock perspective. Look what's going on here, and we got here stock trying to go down, as you see here. Look, we got stock trying to go down after the earnings. There's a nice up candle here toward the end, As you scan through here, this is a good long-term company. Look, earnings per share increasing, sales increasing, shares outstanding coming down. The company is fiscally responsive or responsible. But from an analyst perspective, look what's going on here. Even up here, there is nothing much changed. As you can see here, we got some of the old analyst expectation here, but nothing recent right now. As you scan through here, look, lows, looks like stock came down after the earnings. Nothing much here. So with this, we can go back to Thinkorswim platform and see what's going on with lows. All right, so we can bring up lows here. Look, from a lows perspective, stock came tumbling down after the earnings. Look, from a MACD perspective, we got here the blue line going down and even the yellow line going down. That tells you right now it's in a bearish territory. But look, from a volume perspective, volume is going higher. Some smart money is buying. But our friend here, as you scan through our friend here, I'm doing a call for 14 days out, expiring September 30th. This must be a bear case to take advantage of short-term weakness in lows. All right, so we got a few more things going on here. We got Baidu, as you can see here. Baidu is stock prices at 123, and look here we got strike price 120. So current strike price is below the stock price by 3.1%, and as you scan through here, expiration is just in 7 days. So this person is betting in a short term, in 7 days stock will go higher, and they're putting so much money. Look here, they're putting $1.8 million of they bought $1.8 million worth, expiring next 7 days. As you see here, it's a bull case because look, we got last price right here. Last price in Baidu is above the midpoint, and last price is also below the ask, but it's above the midpoint. That's why there is a little bit bullishness here. And we can go back to our platform here, Finviz, and see what's going on in Baidu. All right, look, Baidu stock came tumbling down. Look here, stock is coming down big time. And as we scan through further here, we got here upgrade initiated by JP Morgan back in September 1, a little bit later, and September 16, very recent. Look, we got UBS upgrading the stock to buy. There is some catalyst as the analysts try to upgrade. There may be a good reason to buy this one here. And look, we got Baidu, a great value right now, and Zax.com featured, highlighted, include even Baidu here. So folks are really thinking there is some upside to Baidu. All right, let's go into Thinkorswim platform here and bring up Baidu. Baidu is a wild trader, as many of you know here. You got to be slightly careful with the Baidu here. But look what's going on here. Stock came tumbling down. Look, nice down here, and a lot of good volume at $150. Stock is at $123, as you can see here. From a MACD perspective, look, right now it's coming down. So, this is not a great candidate. Short-term expect weakness. Look, stock came down here. That's why short-term expect some weakness. On the balance, volume is also coming down. But our friend here, I think probably, this could be a bullish case, at least the way it's indicated here, mainly because the current last price is above the midpoint, and they're also buying in the money call option. That's why you might argue this could be a bull case. But you never know, because it's just 7 days out here. This can even be a bear case. If the last price is above the ask price or at ask price, you can conclusively say it's a bull case. But right now, last price is below the ask price. That's why it's in a borderline. This could even be a bear case, mainly given last price is below the ask price. And then we got a few more here. we got Beyond Meat, as many of you know here. Look, we got about $664,000 premium, and this is a call again. And as you scan through here, this is a bull case, and look, it's at ask price. That tells you it's a bull case here. Our friend here bought huge chunk of Baidu, and sorry, not Baidu, Beyond Meat. Look, current strike price is 18.29, and they bought the call option with the strike price at 20, which is above the current stock price by 8.6%. So looks like they're trying to make a bull case here and buying this call option here. All right, let's go back to our platform here, Finviz, and bring up Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat, as many of you know here, this is a complete downtrend, as you know here. Nice downtrend again. And as you scan through here, we got EPS, earnings per share. It's a disaster. Sales is doing okay. It's a good shares outstanding perspective. They're keeping it pretty even. They're not diluting the share count. Look, there's a nice short ratio here that tells you this could be undergoing some short squeeze also. And we got here underweight from $12 to $9. This means on August 24, there may be some bearishness here with the price coming from $12 to $9, and current price is 18, as you can see here. All right, so Beyond Meat plummeted. There is nothing much here. Let's go back into Thinkorswim platform here and bring up Beyond Meat. All right, look, we got Beyond Meat here. Stock is a complete disaster, but look what's going on here. We got blue line here and the yellow line. The distance is become a little bit less here, and we got $24 as a nice solid line here. Good support here from a VWAP perspective. Current stock price is at 18, so that's why there may be a case that can be made that stock can go into 124 in maybe maybe in a month or so time frame here if everything goes well. But at least you could see here there is some positive bias here. The distance between the blue line and the yellow line are narrowing, so it could be a good case here. All right, so that's about Beyond Meat here. Then my favorite stock here, NVIDIA. Look, somebody put in $7 million into this stock here, and as you see here, we got stock price 131 and strike price is 127. Somebody is buying in the money call option in the money barely by 3.9%, and this one is actually just expired, as you can see here. Date to expiration is 0. I think they made the money here because look, NVIDIA stock price is at 131, and this call option with the strike price 127. So I think this call was profitable. It already expired, as you can see here. All right, we got a few more here. QTRX, again a good one here. This one is below ask, as you can see here. 63 days to expiration. Days to expiration is 63, and look, they actually bought in the money call option here, or traded in the money call option. Probably this is a bullish case here. It's just below ask, as you can see here. All right, so we got a few more here. Big stock, Apple. Apple is next. Look, Apple strike price 150, and somebody bought 149 call option here. Well, that's a great one. I think they traded it here just slightly in the money by 1.1%. And as you see here, it's a bull case. The last price right here is above the midpoint, as you see here. That's why it can be a bull case here. I think Apple is a strong case, strong stock here. Somebody's putting 5.9 million, almost 6 million into Apple here, taking I think it's already expired, as you can see here, and I think they made the money here because look, currently current stock closed above their strike price. And we got a few more here. We got Amazon.com here, 7 days out, as you can see here. Expiration 9/23 next week. And look here also, it's a bull case here. Last price is above the midpoint, as you see here. $5 billion worth option got traded here. This could be a bull case here. You could look at Amazon. Amazon is a complete disaster of late, but I think overall it's a good long-term play. All right, Amazon.com here. Stock came down, as you see here, with all these big stocks coming down. Amazon also came down, and as you scan through, it's a good long-term play. Look, earnings per share increasing, sales increasing, shares outstanding pretty constant, as you see here. And look, we got outperform rating with the price at 146. That's a good story here. Current price is at 123, and there is a nice target set. This is a little bit old though, July 26, not recent. All right, so let's go into Thinkorswim platform here and bring up Amazon.com. There we go, Amazon.com. Look, right now it's a short-term negative trend, as you can see here. Blue line is below the yellow line, as you see here, and it can go into 123.53. That's a nice support level right here. It can bounce off, and there is a nice volume up here at 165. I think this could be a good long-term play here, but look what has happened here. It's just 7 days out. Somebody traded nice chunk of money to have this call option at 122, which is slightly in the money just by 1.3%. All right, so now what we'll do is, many of you may not want to look at the high price stocks here. We can even reduce the price, say stocks say below 30, so you can look at some of these a little more low price stocks with still nice unusual option volume. All right, so we got here low price stocks here below $30. Not too many stocks, as you see here, and still nice chunk of premium collected here. As you scan through in these low price stocks here, Beyond Meat, look, nice premium here. We could look at that one here, and we got NU. NU has got just a $5 stock here. It's a bull case here. They put around $900,000 into this one here. And we got one more right here, AMC. Look at AMC here. AMC is like stock price is 8.98, and somebody traded the put option at $15. This could be a play where stock comes down and they can make money 35 days out, as you can see here. That's a huge chunk of money they put to trade this put option here, $6.7 million. That's a good case here. All right, so we could look at AMC very quickly. Let's bring up Thinkorswim platform here, AMC. As you scan through AMC here, stock is a disaster of late, came crashing down. And look, AMC, look, it can go higher. Stock at, MACD perspective, you got blue line coming higher. From these levels, you could see AMC bouncing. That's probably the reason, this person is, I don't know what they're doing here. They're trying to trade this option here. Even though stock price is 8.98, they basically traded the put option at 15 here. So this could be somebody who has got a lot of AMC stock. They want to protect themselves if AMC comes down. That could be the play here, given it's below the midpoint. The last price is below midpoint. All right, so we got a few more big ones here. We got Overstock, and we got Robinhood. As you look through here, Overstock is a bear case here, but Robinhood looks like it's a bull case here. Its last price is above the midpoint but below the ask, as you can see here. Looks like Robinhood $10 stock, and looks somebody's trading 10.5 put option. This could be again a case where they have a lot of stock and they are buying the put option. That could be a candidate here because put strike price is 10.5, slightly above the current stock price. All right, we got two more here, MVST and CCJ. Again, look, nice volume here. CCJ, this is I think it's a uranium stock. Look, nice bull case here. Stock price 27 right now, and they are trading put here 25. This could be selling put option to earn some premium here. They put so much money, 1.2 million. It's a bull case here. You could bring up CCJ here in our platform Thinkorswim. CCJ, look, stock came down big time. Look, big drop, and right now blue line wants to come down. That's a not a great story. Short-term weakness, as you can see here, and this one has got nice volume support at $25 or so. Right now stock price is at $27. That's why this case here, this could be a case where they might be having a lot of CCJ here. They may be buying a put option at 25 to protect themselves, or this could be a person who wants to buy the stock, so that's why they're buying the put option at $25, slightly below the stock here. Nice chunk of money they put into this one here, as you can see. All right, so we got a couple more here with the big money. We got NLY, nice volume here, and we got PBR, as you can see here. So of all these stocks here, look, AMC has got nice chunk of money that has gone into it, and the next one is right here, BTU. BTU also has got nice chunk of money. Again, it's a bullish. So let's do one thing. Let's probably look at look at one or two here in a little more detail. A lot of money went into AMC. Let's see what's going on here. So what I will do is I'll go into my put call here. This will kind of tell you what's going on in from a put and call perspective. We can bring up AMC here instead of Nikola. AMC, let's see what's going on with AMC from an option perspective. All right, so we got our AMC here. The way this chart is laid out is in the beginning we got all the stock information, up to right here. This is all stock information. It tells you what's the stock price, what the RSI, relative strength index, IV rank of the stock, put call ratio. Those are all stock related. Then we got some general content. It tells you the strike price, is it weekly expiration or monthly expiration, or expiration date, and the day to expiration. And the next set of information is all about call option here. Look, up to this point, it's all about call option. On the top, it's all green. That means it's call. And then you got set of columns which tells you all the put options here. All right, so we brought up AMC here. Look what's going on in AMC. We got your stock price right here, and we got here the strike price. Stock price is 8.98, almost 9. Strike price is 10, as you can see here. And we got 12/16/2022. It's a while ago. 91 days to expiration. And look, strike price is let's see, strike price here is 10, slightly it's above the stock price here. And somebody traded the call option here. It's a bull case. The last price, as you see here, we got last price about the midpoint here, midpoint being we got right here midpoint right here 1.8, but last price is 1.85. bull case. Looks like they put chunk of money into this call option, as you see here. This could be a long term. Somebody wants to buy AMC at $10, hoping by December it will shoot higher and they can make some good money here. All right, so we got, as you scan through here, keep watching at the premium here. So whenever there's a nice and high premium, that's where there is somebody's trying to make a statement. If you scan through this carefully, somewhere here, look, we got these two lines here where AMC has got nice premium amount, especially this one right here, 125. We got nice and high premium, as you see here. And it's again a bull case here. Somebody's buying at ask. They're currently AMC at 8.98, and the strike price is strike price is $10. Somebody's again buying $10 strike price. Expiration next week. Look, expiration next week itself, and they're buying it at above at ask price, which is a bull case. Somebody knows something about AMC. They're putting 225 $1,000 to buy the AMC strike price 10. Looks like 10 strike price has got a lot of staying power here. And then we got one more here. Look, we got AMC right here. Look, we got AMC here. Money wise, it's not too much. They're putting $55,000 here. They're buying above ask price, as you see here. Ask price being 90 cents. They're buying at 91 cents, as you see here. And this one is look. We got here. The strike price is 8.5, slightly below the current stock price, as you see here. Moneyness is 5.35. So it looks like somebody's trying to buy some call option. Look, I can see some bullishness here. All right, so again, somebody put some more money here above ask again. Look, there's a nice chunk of money right here above ask. Looks like they're bullish here. They're buying right here. Let's see, strike price $9 here. They're buying a call option at $9 when current price is about 8.98. Again, this looks like a bullish case. Looks like there is some near-term bullishness, and this one is expiring in 63 days, as you can see here. All right, this is how you could do some quick analysis on unusually high option volume, and you could decide whether to buy or sell. And look, the data for this unusually high option, comes from one of my favorite application, which is the barchart.com. So barchart gives a lot of data free, but if you want to download the data and do some analysis like I'm doing, you can get their premium application or a subscription, which is very, very cheap. It's about about $200 or so per year, not too big at all, but you get ton of information here. Look, we got unusual, if you click on this here, you get unusual option volume. This data is it can be downloaded if you have a subscription. And this one here, it's looks like just the data. It's very hard to make any judgment by looking at it. That's one of the reasons I download this data into my Excel spreadsheet. And look, now we got we can make some analytics out of the data here. This is where you can look at the premium level, look at bull case or bear case, and make action based on it. And some of you want to look at the big cap names here. I can say stock price, say more than 50 here, greater than 50 here. Then you can see some good names here, and you can look at unusually high, let's say greater than 30, that's fine. Now see, we got some of these big names here. We could even say date to expiration greater than 0. We can ignore some of the already expired ones as of Friday. Now we get stocks which are about to expire, maybe future expiration dates, as you can see here. You got to watch out. See, somebody right here, there's a Coinbase, not Coinbase, Meta. Look, somebody's making a huge signature buy, $38 million here, bull case, as you can see here. Meta current stock price is 146, and right here, as we scan through here, we got put call strike price, Meta strike price. Let's see here. Yeah, right here we got strike price 310. Somebody's trading the put option at 310, which is way above the current stock price, and they're putting so much money into it. It's unbelievable. They're putting so much money into Meta when the stock price is trading at 146. They're buying put option at 310, and look at the money they're putting into this trade here. They're putting up so much money. Let me expand this slightly here. They're putting $163 here, and total money they put so much here. It's slightly bull case because the last price is above the midpoint here. That's why it's a bull case here. So let's take a look at Meta and see what's going on here. All right, so we got Meta coming up here. Stock is a complete disaster, as you can see here. Stock is really coming down big time. And let's do one thing. Let's reduce this slightly here. Let's actually go to the option chain. As you look through Meta here, this is expiring. Let's see here. Call day to expiration is 490. Looks like this 490 days. It's very long. They are really trying to make a statement here. They're thinking stock will hit this price 310 by 490 days or so. Days to expiration so high, so maybe they're making a case here to make some more money here. And we got, as you scan through here, we got few more cases where there is a good amount of money involved here. We got one more right here, Tesla, again a bull case. People are putting money into Tesla, $9 million as you see here. And we could also do one thing. We could just say premium more than instead of $500,000, I could say more than $1 million. All right, let's change it to 1 million. All right, so we got 1 million here, and let's wait for this to come up. All right, so we got here nice premium here. All these stocks have got premium more than 1 million shares, and some of them are bull case, as you can see here. We got Baidu, Amazon, UNP, which is one of my favorite. Meta, again a bull case here, and we got few bear cases also. So with that, this is how you could get the data very easily from a application like barchart.com, and you could do some quick analysis and get prepared for the week ahead and trade along with the big money players and make some money in the options. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.